Hello everyone, what's up? Mostafamordad here with another session of being a barber. And in this first session, we're spending time on how to use scissor and comb correctly and right. So let's get to the get down. So let's talk about how we have to, take the scissor correct and right. Generally, we've got two types of scissors. One is cutting scissors and the shear or texturizing scissors. That's my cutting scissor divided into long blade and the short blade. And my shear scissors are divided into 50% of reducing weight and the 20% of reducing weight. But we're going to talk about it later. And now we're going to focus on how we have to, take the scissor right. We've got top blade, okay, and the down blade. You use your forefinger on the top blade and your thumb on the down blade. But how we have to use it, okay? So you put your ring finger into the top circle, okay? Then you're going to put your pinky right away here, and you put your middle finger and the index finger right here. So we keep this forefinger constant, okay? And you're going to put your thumb on a down blade in this circle. And we have to notice that always you have to keep the top blade constant and your forefingers. And the movable finger is the thumb. And you have to, open and close only with your thumb. Why we are doing this? Because if you used to, work with your scissors like this, during the time you're going to harm your joints. And of course, if you open your scissors correct, you're going to have a accurate cut on your haircut. So we noticed that how we used to put our fingers on the top blade and the down blade, but how we have to practice, to keep it constant. And at the beginning maybe you cannot always do this, but after a while, if you do practice, you're going to do it just easy as pie. Okay, so how you take your other hand and you put the top blade. Top blade is this one that it continues to this. You put the top blade and you're going to only move your thumb just like this. You see, when I'm just cutting, I keep the blade constant, and the movable blade is only the down blade and my thumb. So, and there's no difference, we've got a different type of shape on the top blade, and this is simple. And if you know how to use your finger correct, there's no difference. For example, if you're going to practice on this one, I put my ring finger, pinky, and two other finger, and the thumb. You see? No difference at all. So, but you better practice. Practice makes perfect. So, if you do practice, it goes to be very easy to open up and work with your scissor right and correct. So we are here to talk about how we have to take the clipper. This one is so easy because it's all designed to put your forefinger down, taking like this, and put your thumb right away here, okay? And there's no difference at all. I take this one and I use this just like this. And this one is easy part. So no difference. And if it depends on your techniques, that how you are choosing to use fade techniques. So it depends on your techniques on the haircut. But this one is so easy. So, but let's talk about how we have to use the comb. So how we have to use the comb correct and right. Generally, I put my two finger on the top side and put my thumb on the downside, okay? But no difference at all. You could, take the comb just like this, put all your fingers and, the thumb on the downside. And how do we have to use scissor over comb for a shortcut? You take the scissor on the comb and you move together, and you keep the top blade constant. So that's why I told you to keep the top blade, constant, because if you're going to get a very accurate cut, you have to, keep the top blade constant and only open the down blade and close it. Open the down blade and close it. And you can practice, yourself this only, to get easier, how to work with the comb and scissors. And we are here to, how we have to take the comb into the long hair. If we imagine the hair as a surface, what have we, we take the comb vertical into the hair and we lift it in a 90-degree and vertical just like this. And the most mistakes that people do is to, taking the comb into the hair and then they are, lift it like this or lift it like this. This is wrong because, it gives you a wrong tension. So you take the comb into the hair straight and then you're going to lift the hair in the long hair just like this. So I'm going to take and lift the hair down. So I take the comb into the hair straight and I'm going to lift it in the 90-degree. So that's how we use the comb into the long hair, and we use the scissor over comb for getting a short cut. So this was our first session of being a barber. Let's keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. And if you liked our videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel to watch another session of being a barber. I put my Instagram link also. You can follow us on Instagram. Thank you so much. See you guys soon.